Hello everyone, this is Engineer Hussam, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cube or cuboid using 3 points perspective. First, you have to start with the horizon. Then you have to decide on this horizon point 1, okay, and point 2. So we have point 1 and point 2. Okay, then for the let's say I want to have point 3 down here below. Let's say I want to have point 3 here, point 3. Okay, so you start with first vertex. Okay, one vertex. Now this vertex has to be connected to the right, to the left, and down. Okay, now I want also to connect it. Now I have to choose where is the depth of this cube. As an example, I want to end this cube here. Okay, so I will draw the depth down until here. Okay, now I want to choose where is the width for my part. As an example, this is the width. I will draw it down until here. Okay, now as we said before, each vertex has to be connected one time to the right, one time to the left. Since this one connected to the right, I will connect it to the left, and also I will do the same for this one. Okay, now I created this shape. Now I have to decide the height. Where is the height? Because in 2-point perspective you draw a line, so the first line you choose, this will decide your height, but in this case you have to decide the height. Let's say I want the height to be until here. Okay, so from the other side connected also like this. This is solid representation. If you want to show it as wireframe representation, connect also the internal points, vertex to one time to the right and one time to the left, like this. And then at the intersection you will connect it down like this. So you will get this shape. You will get point, line, and this line, 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 and this line. Okay, so this is using 3 points perspective. I hope you